On the final episode of Around the Wicket, the ICC Men's T20 World Cup Trophy Tour, driven by Nissan, draws to a close as we speak to Oman's Jatinder Singh and India's Suresh Raina. Thank you to all the fans for their T20 trophy filter submissions over the last 2 months. Your passion for the sport makes it what it is. Alright then, one last time, roll the intro. Welcome to Around the Wicket, your official ICC Men's T20 World Cup Trophy Tour show driven by the wonderful folks at Nissan. My name is Danish Seth and let's welcome our first guest for today. From India, Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina is an ICC World Cup and Champions Trophy winner and one of the most well-rounded cricketers in Indian cricket history. Coming off a super performance at the Under-19 stage, Raina became a mainstay in the Indian squad for over a decade. A destructive batsman, a handy bowler, and one of the finest fielders in the world. He announced himself at the 2010 T20 World Cup where he became the first Indian player to score a T20 international century and a century across all formats.
This is going to be it. What a way to get to 100, Suresh Raina.
Watch on as we talk to Raina about India's chances at the T20 World Cup playing under MS Dhoni and how he's one of India's best all-rounders, even in the kitchen. Suresh, firstly, welcome to the show. आप कैसे हैं and what are your expectations for India at the upcoming T20 World Cup?
First of all, thank you दानिश भाई, good to see you. सारे लोग अभी आईपीएल खेल रहे हैं. इंडियन टीम प्लेयर्स का परफॉर्मेंस देखो काफी अच्छा है. तो मुझे लगता है कि जैसे जैसे प्रोग्रेस होगा जब वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्ट होगा आईसीसी क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप 2020 तो मुझे लगता है कि टीम के काफी अच्छे चांसेस हैं.
Suresh, you at the 2010 World Cup आपने सेंचुरी मारा and you were the first Indian to do that. It must have felt so special to do that.
Definitely, I think scoring your first 100 in the World Cup और वो भी वेस्ट इंडीज में जहाँ पर विकेट्स बहुत चैलेंजिंग है वो और अगेंस्ट टीम लाइक साउथ अफ्रीका जो उस टाइम पे वन ऑफ द टॉप टीम थी वो.
सुरेश भाई, being one of the pioneers of modern Indian fielding, आपको लगता है कि जब आप टीम में गए थे वर्सेस नाउ फील्डिंग पे ज्यादा फोकस होता है आजकल?
नहीं, बिल्कुल. आई थिंक बैटिंग और बॉलिंग के साथ मुझे लगता है कि फील्डिंग भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है, स्पेशली इन वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट. और उस टाइम पे युवराज सिंह थे, मोहम्मद कैफ थे, अजीत अगरकर थे, सचिन पाजी थे. तो अभी जब देखेंगे कि ओवरऑल जो टीम है अभी फिटनेस लेवल बहुत अलग है सबका. अभी हमारी टीम में काफी अच्छे फील्डर हैं. रवींद्र जडेजा वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फील्डर, उसके बाद विराट इज देयर. अभी फिटनेस लेवल अलग है. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव दैट बिलीव कि कभी लो स्कोरिंग मैचेस होते हैं तो आपको एक बिलियन रन आउट करना पड़ता है, बिलियन कैच करना पड़ता है, तो वो मोमेंटम चेंज हो जाता है गेम का वो.
The next question is a big one. I mean, the world around is going absolutely crazy that MS Dhoni is going to be the team mentor. Who better than you to answer this question? क्या impact पड़ेगा इससे टीम इंडिया पे?
नहीं, इम्पैक्ट होगा डेफिनेटली. एंड सबसे स्पेशल है कि वो अभी भी खेल रहे हैं टीम के साथ और उनका जो वैल्यूएबल एक्सपीरियंस है काफ़ी काम आएगा. और जितने भी टीम इंडिया के प्लेयर हैं उनके साथ वो ऑलरेडी खेल चुके हैं तो उनको उन प्लेयर का माइंडसेट पता है. एक महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जो रहे हैं तो आई थिंक मेंटर सिंह धोनी हो गए हैं वो अभी. और उनका जो उनका पूरा एक्सपीरियंस है डेफिनेटली इज गोइंग टू मेक ए ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट ऑन इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम.
आई रियली लाइक मेंटर सिंह धोनी. Very smart. What would you say is your favorite T20 World Cup moment, not as a player but as a fan?
Definitely 2007 World Cup when we played against India Pakistan and how we had that bowled out super over जो उस टाइम रूल था उस गेम का वो. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज रिमार्केबल क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम 2020 वर्ल्ड कप हुआ और इंडिया डोमिनेटेड लाइक एनीथिंग. एंड मेरा फैन मोमेंट डेफिनेटली युवराज सिंह 6 जो उन्होंने अच्छा जो मोमेंट किया, 12-13 बॉल पे 50 बनाया, 6 बॉल पे 6 छक्के मारना. आई थिंक आईसीसी वर्ल्ड कप.
सुरेश भाई, there's one retired player at their prime and अगर आपको ऑप्शन था कि इस प्लेयर को आप वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड में इंक्लूड करें तो वो कौन होगा?
आई थिंक डेफिनेटली एलबी मॉकल और जैक कैलिस.
Wow, why do you say that?
Because they both had that batting ability and LB Mokal has done really well for the South Africa shorter format and Jack Kelly, number 3 batter, can catch the ball brilliantly.
Okay, now it's time for the rapid fire round. So obviously आपको ज़्यादा time नहीं मिलेगा. You need to answer these questions very quickly. Funniest cricketer you've played with?
Yuzvendra Chahal.
If you're in trouble, out of all Indian players, who are you calling first?
MS Dhoni.
A one-handed catch in the covers or a typical Raina 6 on the leg side?
One-handed catch. Because very rare comes. So you need to practice like 100 times in the practice, then you can catch it with one hand.
One meal you could eat for the rest of your life?
Mom made rajma chawal or kadi chawal.
यूजी को घर बुला लो, उसको भी राजमा चावल बहुत पसंद है. Okay, if you could go back in time, what historical event would you like to watch?
I want to see 2 things actually. Muhammad Ali boxing live, and I wanted to see Michael Jordan playing basketball.
Ooh,
lovely. I've seen Messi playing in Barcelona with my wife, and we went to Barcelona. I've seen him playing live.
Alright, now that I'm done with questions, I have to ask you, our next segment is Questions I'd Never Ask. Okay, these are questions I'd never ask, but since you're here and I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and do this. So many videos of you cooking food on social media. At this point, do you think celebrity chef is a more viable career than cricket?
No, I'm a parent with 2 kids, so I need to feed them, and I love cooking. I was studying in Lucknow, so I think it's very important to know your taste, and food makes me feel very relaxed when you're cooking.
Awesome. Which Indian player would you say is the best 12th man?
Yuzi. I've seen his
बाहर बैठ के उसका एक
वो ऐसा करके बैठा हुआ था ना.
All right, great. Thank you. Now let's move to some questions by the fans. These are fan-powered questions. One tip you would give every upcoming cricketer?
I think it's very important to believe, and you have to have the clear thought of mind, clarity of mind, and what you want to achieve. If you know where you're going, then definitely you will reach in the evening there. So if you don't know where you're going, then definitely it will be challenged. You might have a lot of turn and left or right. First you need to know your destination, then you will have a lot of obstacle in your life. Just keep moving forward and enjoy the process.
Who do you believe will be the standout fielder in the T20 World Cup?
I think some of the players from New Zealand, but I'm gonna banking on Ravin Jadeja because the ground is very big here. He can take a brilliant catch, he can do the brilliant run out, and Virat Kohli must definitely want him to be in a very, very crucial position. So it's going to be very exciting. So I'm looking forward to it.
Alright, thank you very much. It's now time you polish your book cricket skills, and we'll see you in a bit. That was Suresh Raina. He's now off to practice his book cricket skills. Let's welcome our next guest in the meantime. From Oman, Jatinder Singh. Born in Punjab, brought up in Oman, Jatinder Singh is our next guest on the show. For Oman, Jatinder has scored 1,123 runs in 45 international matches so far. Since his T20 international debut in 2015 and Oman getting the ODI status in 2019, his contribution to his team has been phenomenal, becoming Oman's leading run scorer in the 2019 ICC Men's T20 World Cup qualifiers. Jatinder's unbeaten 67 of 50 balls against Hong Kong in the qualifiers, including multiple switch hits, sealed a spot for Oman in the T20 World Cup this year.
Premeditated and very well played by Jatinder Singh.
That brings up the 4th boundary of the innings, a much needed one.
In this episode, Jatinder will tell us the intel he got from India in the 2016 Asia Cup, how he practices the switch hit, and how he ended up playing for Oman. Jatinder Baji, welcome to the show Around the Wicket. I'm going to begin by asking you, how are you and how are the preparations for the World Cup?
First of all, thank you so much for having me on the show. Preparations बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं, yes, and we started our camp way back in June.
You were born in Ludhiana, then you ended up playing for Oman. I'm
Yes.
pretty sure a lot of people watching this are thinking, यार ये हुआ कैसे? इसकी story बताओ.
Absolutely. जैसे आप कह सकते हैं कि it is written in your fate. So ऐसे ही हुआ है. See, in 2000 when we moved here to Oman in 2003. I had zero background from cricket. Irrespective, मतलब क्या था, घर में भी कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि who's from the sports background. So when I came to Oman, we had the school teams. So मुझे नहीं पता था कुछ भी क्या है, क्या school team and this age group is there. So I just went into ऐसे ही selection पे चला गया for the school team. Whereas after fighting so much at home, घर वालों से, they were saying, no, you're not good student, so better कि आप पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. So somehow I got into the team and started playing there. So ऐसे फिर क्रिकेट का जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ. Whereas मेरी जो इंस्पिरेशन थी, my inspiration was my elder brother, because मेरा elder brother he was very sound player and he used to play a good level of cricket का.
चलो, you've obviously come a long way from there. मतलब इतना long कि you're set to face PNG, Bangladesh and Scotland in the T20 World Cup. Firstly, I want to know your thoughts on the opposition and जो home advantage कहते हैं. Is it a fact or is it a myth?
Well, you can say it's a fact. It's not a myth because you are pretty sure about the conditions.
And what do you think about PNG, Bangladesh and Scotland?
Well, see, ये tournament ऐसा है कि you can't take any team lightly because it's a T20 game. You hardly get to come back into the game once. इसमें एक अच्छा one good knock can take the game away, or one good spell can take the game away. So इसमें ऐसा है कि any team can beat any team.
Fascinating. We heard a story कि Asia Cup जो बांग्लादेश में था in 2016, you timed your breakfast in the team hotel with the Indian team, and then you picked their brains while you were eating food. क्या information मिली आपको?
Luckily क्या हुआ कि we were in the same hotel along with the Bangladesh team. All the teams were residing in the same hotel. So we happened to have our breakfast with the Indian team. So मतलब उनके साथ we got a chance to speak to them. Their minds are really sharp.
तो कौन मिला कौन पहले वहाँ पे कौन मिला पहले?
Actually whole team was there that time.
अच्छा, तो आप जाके बैठ गए वहाँ पे उनके साथ?
हम पहले अपनी टीम के साथ बैठे थे. Slowly once they started moving, then हम लोग को लगा कि हाँ यार वो कुछ खाना लेने आ रहे हैं, तो let's go and start the conversation.
Well done. Listen, I want to know, where did you pick this switch hit shot from?
When I was in school, from that time only I was playing this shot on the cement. So I just I haven't practiced that so to master it, but in the moment of the game it just comes in.
Wow. Okay, now tell me, if there was one retired player in their prime and you had an option to add them into your team's current World Cup squad, who would it be?
It'll be obviously Kevin Peterson.
Why do you say obviously Kevin Peterson?
Because उसका जो range of shots है and जो उसका game खेलने का तरीका, he demolishes the opposition within no time. The way he takes the game further.
Interesting. Also, then both of you can play the switch hit together.
Exactly.
Nice. Okay. Let's get into some rapid fire now. Okay, you don't get too much time to answer these. You need to go like bang, bang, bang immediately. Okay. One international player you would love to play nets with.
Virat.
Perfect. Switch hit or a classic straight drive?
Switch hit any day.
If not a cricketer, what would you be?
I never thought of anything without being cricketer.
Very cool. You've given a chance to, let's assume you're given a chance to amend cricket rules. What's the one thing you're going to change?
Maybe the LBW thing.
Acha, LBW should be out. पहले they keep saying it's a batsman dominated game. और कितना batsman game बनाने वाले इसको?
That's true.
Punjabi food or Punjabi music? Choose one.
Both actually. It's in my blood.
Yeah, it's not even in my blood, but I don't know which. I wouldn't be able to do without either. I think both are incredible.
Exactly.
Thank you. Now let's move to some questions by the fans. These are fan-powered questions. These have come in from people who've written to us on Twitter and Instagram. Who is your inspiration in cricket?
My inspirations have been many actually.
Yeah.
Example, Virat has been one of the inspiration. My elder brother has been the inspiration to me.
Yeah.
My father himself has been a great inspiration.
Who is the hardest bowler you faced?
I think it all depends on the bowler who is bowling well, actually.
Any bowler you were petrified to face? You were like, man, I'm a little worried.
Maybe I would say Mitchell Johnson. He would be a real disaster.
Wow. Nice. All right. Thank you so much, Jatinder, for answering all our questions. Such a pleasure, Paji, speaking to you. Now it's time for you to represent your country in the Book Cricket Championship against
Yes.
Suresh Raina.
Right. Of course.
Alright guys, it's time for cricket's greatest prize, the Book Cricket Championship. Currently, Australia leads the charts with 42 runs thanks to Glenn Maxwell. He is the big show on the field and off the field. Before we start, here are the rules. Each player flips the book open 6 times, playing an over. The last digit of the even numbered page that you flip is the number of runs you score, which means if you get 0, it's 0, you get 2, 4, 6 and 8. In this world, you can score even an 8, alright? So books are flipped alternatively and each player plays one ball at a time. So let's start then. We'll start with Jatinder Paji. Come on, why don't you open the first page and tell us how many runs you scored?
First one is 2.
And they'll pick up
2.
a comfortable
Okay.
2.
2,
Again 2.
6,
That's gone and done the distance. It's a 6.
Had to
लगा
count.
दिया आपने.
तो आना था.
पावर प्ले में बैटिंग में पाजी मारना ही पड़ेगा.
सही बात है भाई, सही बात. Very true. 2 again.
तो आप मुझे स्ट्राइक दे रहे हो ना. 2. इसमें तो पिक्चर आ गई मेरी. क्या हुआ फिर ये? तो दूसरे वाले पेज में 8 है.
Biggie, it's out of here.
8.
There you go. 6.
That's gone and done the distance. It's a 6.
2,
बोल भी दो पाजी कितना आया?
6.
ओ 6. अच्छा, मार के किसी को बोल भी नहीं रहे.
ये फिर पिक्चर आ गई है अभी.
तो 8 ही होगा फिर.
हाँ 8 है.
That is a biggie, it's out of here.
8 रन बनाना पड़ेगा.
पाजी ने लग रहा है उधर उंगली रखी हुई है पिक्चर वाली पे.
नहीं भाई पिक्चर नहीं है.
तो पाजी वो बाहर से देख के बता रहे हैं कि हाँ पिक्चर वाली है.
नहीं.
मतलब खुद की तो बुक है. सोचो कितने बार देखा होगा वो बुक फिर. ओके, जतिंदर, लास्ट बॉल.
That is a biggie, it's out of here.
8.
अरे वेरी गुड. 4.
Through, it's got for 4.
4. Well done. Congratulations, Suresh bhai. 30 for you and 26 for Jatinder. You won this as well, Mr. Raina. How does it feel? इतने सारे ट्रॉफीज जीतने के बाद ये वाला जीतने में कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
अच्छा लग रहा है और पाजी ने बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग किया. 4 रन से हार गए. मुझे लगता है सेकंड गेम और मजेदार होगा. फिर थोड़ा प्रिपेयर होके आएंगे हम दोनों लोग.
Very true, very true, very true.
Second game, actually, he still has a chance to redeem himself. Okay, तो ये है super over हमारा.
We're going to a super over.
And what happens is I give you both one topic and you need to go back and forth until one of you fails to respond for 5 seconds. आज का topic है cricketers with turbans. So we'll start with Suresh in this one.
हरभजन सिंह,
Monty Panesar.
मिक्का सिंह
हरप्रीत बराड़.
और
Cricketers था ये. Cricketers only.
अच्छा
कॉमेडी शो पे आते थे. कॉमेडी शो पे क्लू दे रहा हूँ.
सिद्धू,
ऐसे भूल गए.
किशन सिंह बेदी.
मनप्रीत गोनी,
ऐदा ते फिर भाजी अपना युवराज भाजी.
अरविंदर सिंह फ्रॉम रेलवे.
ये आप लोग पता नहीं कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो इस गेम को. I think going by ये गेम कहाँ जा रहा है मुझे लगता है. I think I should just safely give this to Jatinder.
एटलीस्ट कहीं ना कहीं से तो पाजी इसने जीते हैं.
मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि जैसे ही मिल्खा सिंह ने इस गेम में जिस तेजी से एंट्री ली इस गेम में मुझे तभी पता चल गया था ये गेम आउट, ये गेम खत्म. बट वेल डन जतिंदर एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच सुरेश फॉर जॉइनिंग अस.
थैंक यू पाजी, थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू
मच.
सो मच ब्रदर.
And that brings us to the end of the final episode of Round the Wicket. Firstly, congratulations to Glenn Maxwell on winning the World Book Cricket Championship. He's won so many trophies, but I'm sure this is one that he'll cherish forever. And on that note, it's time to say goodbye to you. It's been great fun bringing the show to you. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for participating and for being a part of it. I've been your host. My name is Danish Seth, and I've been waiting to say this. Bring on the World Cup.